Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the JBL Tune 510BT. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the LED flashes. Make sure the headset has some charge. Charging briefly prevents unexpected shutdowns. Once the LED blinks blue and red or just blue, the headphones are in pairing-ready mode. At the same time, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and set to discoverable. This reduces connection time and avoids conflicts with previously paired devices. You now pair the headset. In Bluetooth settings, scan and tap JBL Tune 510BT when it appears. Once selected, accept any prompts. Your device may request permission to pair or to access contacts for call control. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000. That's standard for many headsets. After the connection completes, you'll hear a confirmation tone or C connected on your phone. Make sure media volume is up and test audio by playing a short clip to confirm both audio and call functions work. You finish by adjusting fit and verifying controls. Press the multifunction button to play /pause, use volume buttons to set level, and test microphone on a call. If pairing fails, make sure the headset is not connected to another device. Then reset by holding power and volume up for about 6 seconds to clear pairing list. Once done, download the JBL app for firmware updates and extra settings. This helps avoid intermittent drops and ensures compatibility with new phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.